We spent here like a whole week, and we were able to talk to each other and yes, make a contact, not only the networking things, but only probably the kind of friendships also.
They learn much more from having to do it themselves and not only listen to people telling their experiences or their practices, but now they have to bring it in practice themselves, which I guess is the best way of finding out what actually are the issues that you have to deal with when you want to start a cinema.
We could communicate and we could emotionally connect to each other, which I think is the most important thing in each training, because what I feel now at the end of the training is inspiration, and this is what I came for. I came to get inspiration, to get knowledge, and to get really ideas how I can continue in the future. We live in a very uncertain time, and probably it will be becoming even more uncertain, who knows. So the future of cinema is in our hands, and we need to have the inspiration to embrace the challenge.